I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right needle and trimming the thread. This matters because a blunt cut or wrong gauge makes the eye hard to find. Thread length should be about 1.5 to 2 inches per strand, longer tangles, shorter wastes time. Once trimmed, pinch the end between thumb and forefinger and moisten slightly to compress fibers, or run a thin threader through the eye. These first actions set you up to pass the eye cleanly and reduce fraying during stitching. Now focus on the how. Stabilize the needle with your non-dominant hand so the eye faces you or tilts upward. Stability prevents sudden slips. Bring the thread with your dominant hand and guide the compressed tip through the eye, watching the thread's tip catch the hole. If you struggle, fold one fiber to form a tiny hook or use a needle threader. Alternatively, magnify with a loupe and increase contrast with bright light. These techniques change your success rate by improving. Once the thread is through, pull a short tail of about 1/4 to 1/2 inch and secure it according to your stitch, not for knots, or anchor under the first few stitches for invisible starts. Make sure to smooth the thread so it runs freely. If it frays, cut a fresh angle, moisten, or coat lightly with beeswax to stiffen. If things still go wrong, change to a larger eye needle, increase lighting, or use a metal threader. This combination fixes nearly every threading problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.